What's the meaning of benevolence? Benevolence. Benevolence.
Benevolence. Benevolence. Benevolence is a term that refers to a disposition or quality of being kind, caring, and compassionate towards others. It is often associated with acts of charity and selflessness, with the aim of doing good without expecting anything in return. Benevolent individuals are guided by a desire to help others and improve their well-being, often going out of their way to assist those in need. This trait is highly valued across different cultures and is often considered a fundamental aspect of human nature. Acts of benevolence can range from small gestures of kindness to large-scale philanthropy, but they all share the common goal of helping others and making a positive impact on the world.